Online meetings basically. Can't believe how cool it is. Unbox completely. Can't go anywhere without this. So let's unbox. This is my favorite part. Hello my beautiful friends, hope you are having an amazing day wherever you are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It is Melok 4 here, and today I'm greeting you in my favorite corner of the houses like you haven't seen it before. But this day it is kinda hard to describe what weather we are in, cause just a couple of minutes before it was sunny and currently it is rainy, which is crazy. All my mood is going down, but it's alright. Just a little introduction or a little brief. My name is Hümeyra and I'm a purchasing manager in an export company, a freelance illustrator and content creator. I basically edit videos. It is taking a huge place in my daily life and spending hours on editing on each videos. I'm also working in an office which I am accepting to meetings, having visitors and attending online meetings basically. And today bringing you what make me the coolest girl ever in my office or anywhere I'm joining in. It is QCY. You'll be seeing that in my ears after now. I can't believe how cool it is. Before I start the video, I wanna say thanks to QCY for sponsoring this video and their lovely team who brought me this beautiful, most stylish Open-Earbuds I'm having. If you're ready, we can start it. So I just received this beautiful package yesterday and didn't unbox completely. I want to make this happen with you guys because you're so special to me. By the way, I also have another model of this brand which I am using about 4 months, I think. It is here, as you see. This is everything to me. I don't go anywhere without this. You can see that always here or here. Mine is Melobots Pro, but the one I received yesterday is Crossky C30. So let's unbox. This is the favorite part. So yeah, this is the box as you see. It is here as you see. Oh my goodness. The design of the earbuds got me. It is so chic, so pretty, and I love purple. This is my favorite color. Look at these. Can you see that? It is like raindrop. Wait a second. This is crazy. These parts will be inside of my ear. Let's try. This is for right ear. Oh my gosh, insane. QCY Crossky C30 open ear clip earbuds provides you 25 hours of playtime. C30 minimize sound leakage with advanced directional audio technology and auto sound beam adjustment. Sounds are transmitted precisely into ear canal, making for a private listening experience. It is open up your ear with C-shaped open ear design. QCY Crossky C30 keeps you in synchron with your surrounding without sealing the ear canal. With 10.8mm dual magnet high sensitivity driver unit, the headphone delivers sterling sound quality and clear vocal within a teeny delicate body. The best part of having QCY is also you can personalize the sound quality or any effect you would like to change it easy on their app. Since I'm recording this video by my phone, I'm gonna download the application of QCY to my another phone to show you better. It is also available on Android and iOS. I'm gonna choose the register new account. I'm gonna write my email. So I'm gonna add a device. I'm gonna turn on the Bluetooth because it is connecting by Bluetooth. And you are directly seeing which devices are available nearby. I'm gonna select QCY Crossky C30. It takes just a couple of minutes to get there. So I'm gonna pair it with my earphone, and once you open the app you are already seeing the status and like how many battery is left, like on the left side, on the right side as well. Sounds effects, you can change it wherever you are and you can make it default, pop, heavy bass and rock. And also you can change the sound channel balance, kind of like you want to hear more from your right side, so you can make it 100% and less to the left part. And from the settings you can also change the touch, double touch and triple touch. And yeah, you can hear a lot of settings you would like to change on.
Had to bring it back. Say you got love for the kid, where it at? I'ma need verbs, have to move the words, so I dip. Now my hands full, quad square, mic jet like that.
And yeah, that's it. It is the best sound experience in my opinion, who always have an ear on, because I can't live without it. Design is the craziest part since I haven't tried anything like this before, and recommend you from bottom of my heart. Once again, thanks to QCY for this beautiful gift and partnering with me. It means a lot, especially for my favorite brand, because I'm going to sleep with by listening ASMR, and this is also on my ear every single day. Thanks to all of my friends who stop by and support me and giving me some love. I'm just so appreciate all of you. Please do not forget to visit QCY website and also click in my description down below to go there easily. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.